Good evening, witches, and welcome to Filling Your Apothecary with Akasha and Calypso. Tonight, we've got a treat for you. We are going to make Bay Rum. Bay Rum is amazing, and it's used for luck and specifically gambling, but you can also use it for healing and cleansing. So, it takes 7 ingredients, and 7 is very important numerologically because that's actually a lucky number. So what we've got here in this container, we've already almost filled it with some dark spiced rum. That's actually really important to use the dark spiced rum because that stands for prosperity, relationships, love, strength, connection, but prosperity being the really big one. So what we're gonna do in our mortar pestle, we're gonna mix the other ingredients and then toss it in with the rum. So first, we're gonna need bay leaf. Bay leaf is used, healing, protection, love, but it's also success. And what we've done here is you can buy dried bay leaves, and we've gone ahead and crushed them in our coffee grinder. So that is powdered bay leaf right there. Smells amazing too, if you ever get a chance to do that. So we've got it in our little thing there.
Yeah.
The next one is allspice. Allspice is for determination and money and luck. So very important to add to our rum mixture. This is, by the way, edible, so everybody knows. Okay, our next ingredient is going to be orange zest. And what we've got right here is literally just ground up dried orange peels. And it's cheap and easy. If you eat oranges, do this. The best thing about oranges is they are for massive success. So we're gonna go on ahead and put that in there. And we're just kind of measuring out 1 spoonful of each one into this. Next we have is cloves. And cloves are used for money drawing, but also, protection, exorcisms, things like that. If you need an exorcism, you can definitely add this to it. So we're gonna go on ahead and add that to our mixture. After cloves, we're gonna need some nutmeg, which is money drawing, 100% money drawing, with a little bit of justice thrown into side. And in all honesty, if you're gambling, don't you want it to be, not disputed and it's yours? That's right.
Yep, for sure.
Okay, and then cinnamon. Cinnamon, one of the best spices there are. There we go. And it's for speed of spells and also money drawing, so very important. So this is...
We're gonna mix this up. And it looks amazing.
It smells really good.
Mmm. Take a funnel, because our narrow bottle is very narrow.
That bottle, we just got at the dollar store.
Yeah.
Now, if you're making this, you can make this anytime you want to. It's your practice. But it'd be good to do on full moons, new moons, anything like that. And I would use it sparingly, definitely. If you're about to go, what is it, fizzing in there? Oh, no, just moving around. That was a little alarming. If you're gonna do this, say you're gonna go to the casino one night and you just need a little bit of money. By a little, I mean as much as you feel like. Well, this is something that you could definitely take a swig of. You could just do a shot, no problem.
We're gonna mix this up. Just give it a good shake.
Oh yeah, baby. Now, if you do take a swig of this, keep in mind, there's floaties, okay? just keep that in mind. Okay.
You're not going to want to take very much of it. You don't need to. Just a wee bit in a shot glass is all you'll need. So.
And let me tell you, this works. We've got personal experience with this.
Yes, we sure do.
So there's a reason why we're practicing witches. Also, you can cleanse money with it if you're not into drinking. alcohol. You can cleanse your wallet with it. Dress a candle with it.
Sprinkle it on your money before you go to
Absolutely.
gambling.
Absolutely. Yeah. Or your credit card. I don't know how you kids,
However you're
crazy
paying
kids
it.
do it. Yeah. On your money source.
Yeah.
But yeah, so that is Bay Rum. And it's an alcohol. I mean, it's not going to go bad. It's going to last. And I love me some dark rums, so we'll use this up for sure. So yeah, that's what we got. Thank you very much. Hope you
Thanks.
enjoy.